Did you know that the average person eats over 28,000 kilograms of food in their lifetime? That's like eating the weight of a semi-truck full of groceries. Our bodies have a remarkable system for breaking down this mountain of food into usable energy and nutrients. It's called the digestive system, and it's one of the most important systems in our body. The journey of food begins in the mouth, where the process of digestion starts. The mouth is equipped with teeth to break down food into smaller pieces and saliva to begin the chemical breakdown. From the mouth, food travels down the esophagus and into the stomach, where it is mixed with digestive juices. The partially digested food then moves into the small intestine, where most of the nutrients are absorbed. Finally, the remaining waste travels to the large intestine, where water is absorbed and the waste is prepared for elimination. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of the digestive system and learn how our bodies turn food into fuel. Our journey continues as the bolus moves from the mouth to the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Muscles in the esophagus contract and relax in a wave-like motion called peristalsis. This wave-like motion pushes the bolus towards the stomach. The esophagus ensures that food travels in the right direction even when we're lying down. At the end of the esophagus, the bolus reaches the lower esophageal sphincter. This sphincter acts as a gateway, allowing the bolus to enter the stomach. Once in the stomach, the bolus is mixed with gastric juices, continuing the digestive process. The stomach's strong muscles churn the food, breaking it down further. This prepares the food for the next stage of digestion in the small intestine. The stomach is a muscular, J-shaped organ that acts like a giant food processor. It churns and mixes the bolus with gastric juices, a powerful mixture of hydrochloric acid and enzymes. The stomach's muscular walls contract rhythmically, churning the food and breaking it down into a thick liquid called chyme. Hydrochloric acid in the stomach kills bacteria and helps break down proteins. Enzymes called pepsin, also present in gastric juices, further break down proteins into smaller molecules called peptides. The stomach also plays a crucial role in storing food. It can expand to hold about a liter of food, allowing us to eat larger meals and digest them gradually. After spending about 3 hours in the stomach, the chyme is ready for the next stage of its journey, the small intestine. Section 4. Absorbing nutrients, the small intestine. Despite its name, the small intestine is actually the longest part of the digestive tract, measuring about 6 meters long. It's where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients take place. The small intestine is divided into 3 sections: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. In the duodenum, the chyme is mixed with bile from the liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas. Bile helps break down fats, while pancreatic juice contains enzymes that further digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The jejunum and ileum are lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area of the small intestine, allowing for efficient absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. From the small intestine, nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to different parts of the body, providing energy and building blocks for cells. Section 5. The final stages of digestion, large intestine and beyond. After the nutrients are absorbed, the remaining chyme, mostly indigestible fiber, water and dead cells, moves into the large intestine. The large intestine, about 1.5 meters long, has a larger diameter than the small intestine. Its main role is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining waste, solidifying it into stool. The large intestine also houses trillions of bacteria known as gut flora, which are essential for our overall health. These bacteria help break down any remaining carbohydrates and produce certain vitamins. The stool is then stored in the rectum, the final part of the large intestine, until it's ready to be expelled from the body through the anus. The entire digestive process, from the moment we take a bite to the elimination of waste, takes about 24 to 72 hours. This incredible journey highlights the efficiency and complexity of our digestive system, which works tirelessly to keep us fueled and functioning properly. So next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the amazing journey happening inside your body.